Tokyo, this is something that a lot of people are going to feel today because we were just sitting in the bureau and you could actually start to see the pictures on the walls start to shake. If there is a quake, normally we feel it sort of dissipate very, very quickly, but this was something that we felt over an extended period of time. And part of the reason for that is because this was a shallow quake. Now, it is about 160 kilometers off the East Coast. Right now, we have not heard of any reports of destruction. So we want to make sure people understand that. Right now, it does not appear that there's been any devastation in Japan, but there has been a tsunami warning issued. They are very concerned right now about what that will do. It's not expected to be extraordinarily high, about a half meter or so. So all the televisions here are live. The local newscasts are all watching the coast to see what the impact is going to be. But just taking a look at what the local news is covering here, it does appear to be quite calm, and we're just waiting to see what the impact of this is going to be.
Okay, you know, it's so fresh in people's mind what the effect of a shallow quake can be. We've seen that in Christchurch, New Zealand. We're not suggesting that we're going to see this kind of damage in Tokyo, but so far as a lot of the high-rise buildings go, and buildings in general there are concerned, very much equipped and built to deal with, you know, being flexible in cases like this.
Absolutely. I mean, Japan is one of the most earthquake-prone countries in the entire world. A lot of people here remember Kobe, and after Kobe, there were some major structural changes made to many buildings here. Many new buildings are designed to sway when there is an earthquake. There is an extensive structure and system in place to react if there is an earthquake. So if there is any sort of damage, all of the authorities are set to jump on it. As soon as we felt this quake, it was just seconds that the live cameras were on and that people were told there is an earthquake. So, you know, could they respond very quickly to this tsunami? If it were much bigger, the concern would be, could they respond that quickly? Because about 15 minutes after the earthquake struck, the tsunami is expected to hit. So because we're talking about half meter or so, the authorities, you know, are concerned about it, but it's not something that they're expecting to do major damage. But certainly they are watching the coast right now to see what the effect of this tsunami will be.